Hey there, handyman! If you've ever used an angle grinder, you know just how powerful and versatile these tools can be. But with great power comes great responsibility. Today I'm going to give you the lowdown on how to use an angle grinder safely. First things first, safety gear. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes from flying debris. Gloves are a must to keep your hands safe. And don't forget ear protection. Grinders are loud. And of course, a dust mask if you're working with materials that produce a lot of dust. Now let's talk about the tool itself. Before you even plug it in, inspect the grinder and the disc for any damage. Cracks or chips can cause the disc to shatter, which is the last thing you want. Make sure the disc is properly attached and the guard is in place. When you're ready to grind, always hold the tool with both hands. This gives you better control and reduces the risk of accidents. Keep a firm grip but don't muscle it, let the tool do the work. Always work in a well-ventilated area. Angle grinders can produce a lot of dust and fumes, especially when cutting through metal. Make sure you're not grinding near flammable materials. Sparks can fly up to 15 feet. Speaking of sparks, keep a fire extinguisher nearby just in case. Better safe than sorry. One last tip, never force the grinder. If it feels like you have to push hard, you're probably using the wrong disc or technique. Take your time and let the grinder do its job. Alright, that's it for today. With these safety tips in mind, you'll be grinding like a pro in no time. Stay safe out there, and happy